Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick look at a new flight controller from HolyBro. Now, HolyBro tend to be more known for the Pixhawk stuff, and I tend to use their Pixhawk stuff when I'm not using an official Pixhawk cube. Their Pixhawk technology is really good, but what often gets overlooked is the fact that these guys also make some really nice flight controllers, and this is one of the latest ones. This is pretty new. This is the H7 based KakuteH. Now this has a couple of new tricks up its sleeve, as well as being one of the latest flight controllers. It also has integrated Bluetooth. It has a plug and play 4-in-1 ESC port, so it's easy to connect to a 4-in-1 ESC. And excitingly, it also has a HD camera connector. So if you're going to use it with the DJI HD system, all the pins are ready, and you even get the cables in the box so that you can connect it up to your air unit or your KakuteH system and have that wiring all done. And the power and voltage regulation and everything for the DJI system is actually on board. Full 6 UARTS on this as well, which is great. So it means you're not going to run out of stuff if you want to have a CRSF style receiver or a GPS or those kind of things. You have lots and lots of flexibility. Micro SD card for black box, which is very welcome. That's actually incredibly useful when you are saving information about your flight. And also 5-volt and 9-volt BECs on here with a pretty sensible layout for soldering too. Now, because this is using the H7 processor rather than the F7 version that its predecessor had, there are some tweaks. So this is compatible with things like Betaflight 4.3 and 4.211. However, it actually ships from the factory with Betaflight 4.3, a custom Betaflight 4.3 firmware on it. So if you plug it into the configurator, you may get an error, but you can just ignore that error and carry on setting it up. It's also compatible with the development version of Ardupilot, version 4.2. So if you're looking for a small, compact, high-performance board that Ardupilot will work with, this is the one to have a look at. In fact, I might think about doing something with Ardupilot and DJI on this in the future. And it's also going to be compatible with INAV soon. INAV 4.0 is due out at the end of this year. Might actually be out as I'm making this video, but that has a lot of the H7 support that's been coming for a very long time that's needed to support a board like the KakuteH7. So it's an MPU 6000 based IMU, BMP 280 barometer on this, standard on-screen display. Nicely, it is compatible with the SpeedyBeat application via the Bluetooth connection, which is fab. So that means you can do everything at the field using Android. The 6 UARTs, as I mentioned before, is a really nice idea. And there's also 9 PWM outputs, 1 motor output and 1 LED. So you could actually use this on an octocopter if you had enough ESCs. 2 JST SH 1.0 8-port pins for 4-in-1 ESCs. So there's 2 of them so that you can have 2 lots of ESCs if you have an octocopter. And 1 GST GH 1.56 pin for the HD system. Battery voltage on this is anything from 7 to 42 volts. BEC for the 5 volts is 2 amp continuous, and the BEC for the 9 volts is 1.5 amps. Standard dimension mountings, 30.5mm mountings. Overall dimensions are 35 by 35mm. The other thing that I'm really impressed with HolyBro about this is the fact that they have done a spectacular job of showing how you connect this thing up to stuff. On the website, I'll put a link down below for the page, there is some spectacular wiring diagrams of how you put everything together, and also different receivers and stuff as well. This is how manuals should be written. This makes it incredibly easy to make sure that you don't mess it up. So if you've been looking for a nice high quality flight controller that will run something like Ardupilot or INAV when it's out for full H7 support, and support something like an octocopter, this is one of the boards that will do it, as well as being plug and play with the DJI HD system if you have that too. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.